In this video, we're gonna check if we can switch lenses while recording a video on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So we're gonna start with the 1080 Full HD 30 FPS, and I'm gonna immediately start recording a video. We can tell if we can switch lenses based on the zoom. So we're gonna try to zoom in, and the maximum zoom that we can use is times 30. I'm gonna also use a little toy in order to check if there is a shift of the object in the camera. So if the object moves a little bit while zooming in or out, then we can tell that we can switch lenses. And as you can see, when I, for example, try to zoom out to the ultra wide, there is this jump, even the jump in the quality as well. So the answer is yes, we can use different lenses. As you can see, the camera moves around pretty much all the time. So yeah, we can switch lenses based on the zoom. Unfortunately, we cannot change to the front camera, for example, so that's a bummer. But other than that, we can use different lenses that we have at the back of the phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!